Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy feature that's going to save you tons of time in 2025. Creating an event directly from your email. Whether you're dealing with invitations, meeting reminders, or any date-specific messages, this trick will keep your calendar organized without the hassle. I'm excited to walk you through it step by step, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're using a modern email app like Gmail or Outlook, which have been updated with even smarter integration for 2025. Start by opening the email that contains the event details. Think of something like a party invite or a work meeting. Look for key elements like dates, times, and locations mentioned in the body of the email. Next, highlight or select the relevant text in the email. In Gmail, for example, you'll see a little calendar icon pop up automatically if it detects event info. Click on that icon. It might say, Add to Calendar, or something similar. This feature uses AI to pull out the important details, making it faster than ever in 2025 versions. Now, a new window will open where you can review and customize the event. Double-check the date, time, title, and any notes. You can add guests, set reminders, or even integrate it with your favorite apps like Google Calendar or Microsoft Teams. If something's off, just edit it here before saving. Once you're happy with the details, hit the Save or Create Event button. Voila! The event is now in your calendar, and you'll get notifications to keep you on track. This is a game changer for busy folks, helping you avoid missing important dates. A quick tip: if your email app doesn't detect the event automatically, try copying the text and pasting it into your calendar app manually, but with 2025 updates, this should rarely happen. Give this a try next time you get an email invite. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay organized.